Thank you for joining me. For the ones who do not know me, I'm your girl Christina Chanel, and I love all things DIY. We are actually going to be doing our lashes. For the girlies who love a good cluster lash like myself, and it'll help me save some money. Like, I love the fact that it came with these really cute tweezers right here. You have the bond and seal, some lash remover, which I think is super cute. I've been wearing strip lashes for so long to the point where my lashes is like non-existent, but we're gonna fix that. Okay, we're gonna fix that. It goes from 15 on up to 9. I'm definitely starting with the 15s. I have been in the house for like a whole week with no lashes on. And a girl cannot keep doing that, okay? If it's one thing I love having as a girl is having my lashes done. I'm just gonna go to about right where my pupil stops, like right here with 15, and then I'm gonna do 14 right here up where my pupil is, and then I'm gonna go with the shorter length. Y'all know that's how y'all really supposed to do it, right? I just dropped some gems there. I don't know about you, but I've always put my lashes underneath my eyelids, like they're like under here instead of on top. It just gives a natural look. You should definitely try it, girl. These actually look really good, guys. Yeah. That bond works. It works. These lashes are so sticky. Okay, guys, that is eye number 1. Definitely cute. I really like them. I just feel like right here is a little bit more fanned out than I would want them to be. I'm just gonna put a little glue in them. That'll definitely make them a little bit more spiky. Fixed. So we are going to go ahead and seal it. We have our sealer. So the lashes are completely done. Here they are. I need to actually get another light. I'm gonna order me one on Amazon today, since your girl is a YouTuber and things. I'm really happy with the way the lashes turned out. So yes, all right, let's see how it looks on my hair real quick. Your girl went and got her hair done in some braids. Okay, there we go. Yes, sir. If you like the way my lashes look, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so I can keep making more DIY videos like this one, okay? I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and peace out.